Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton is behind the phone. Camera, phone. There we go. All right. So, as y'all already saw, I went ahead and replanted my tomatoes. And, well, the only reason why I had to do that is because, I messed up and killed off all my starts. So, I got to replant them. So, I just went ahead and got that done and out of the way with. Now, we are going to be planting something new, or at least new to this year, and that's cucumbers. And well, as you can see, I got 3 different kinds. I got National Pickling Cucumbers, I got Market More, and I got Max Pack. Now, these 3 cucumbers, some are better for pickling, some are better for eating fresh, and well, one is kind of both. So we're actually trying these varieties to see which one we like, and then we'll go with it next year full out. So how am I actually going to be planting these is in my cups. Gotta love my cups, y'all. Now see, what I'll actually end up doing first, well, assuming I can open these stupid things. Wouldn't open. What I'm actually going to be doing first is checking the seeds, just like that. And what I'm looking for when I check seeds is a lot of black spots or something that just don't look right with the seeds, because I don't want to introduce any bacteria or anything like that to my garden, which I got these from Hoss Tools, so I don't think I'm really going to have to worry about that at all. Now, as far as planting these, your fingers roughly from the first joint right here to the end is roughly 1 inch. And I'm just going to stick my finger, a rough estimate, about that far down through all these. Just like that. And that's where I'm going to be planting these things. Now, I'm going to be doubling up each little little container, so that way I can ensure I have good germination rate. It uses more seeds, but at the same time, you want to make sure you get your cucumbers. Now, put those seeds back. I dropped the seed, y'all. Alright, so that pack's done. Now to cover these up, all I'm going to do, take my fingers, just do like that. Just cover them up, doo-doo-doo. Cover them up, doo-doo-doo. Just like that, y'all. Alright, so we're going to jump into Super Frog mode for the other 2, and hope y'all enjoy. So we're back from that little quick Super Frog mode, and as you can see, we got all the cucumbers planted. Now there's 3 different types, 7 each of each type for 21 cucumber plants. And I'm probably going to plant more eventually, but direct sow them. Now the one thing about these cups, or any time that you're doing starts like this, you really need to make sure that soil's good and moist. Now I added some water on these. I'm going to add some more water in a little bit. I'm going to let that water soak through there real good and get that seed nice and wet so it knows it's time to germinate. Now, y'all remember the other day when I had a little experiment to see if my soil's warm enough for it to, or transplants to survive? Let's go take a look at some peppers. We're here with my peppers, and I have 5 different varieties of peppers here, but I'm only going to show a few of them right now. Now see, I have a pepper here, see the pepper, That's a pepper. I have a pepper over here. See the pepper? That's a pepper. I have a pepper over here. See the pepper? That's a pepper. Now, these peppers, as you can see, are still green. Their leaves are nice and crisp and perky. So that means that, well, they're surviving. Now, it's only been a couple of days since I started this experiment. And I'm going to give this experiment until, let's say Monday. Monday at the earliest, Tuesday at the latest. And, well, if they are still alive by then, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be planting more peppers. So the way I've spaced these out, I'm going to be able to put 6 more peppers to each row. So that means 6 here, 6 there, 6 there, 6 there, 6 there. Total of 9 pepper plants per row per variety. That's going to be a lot of peppers, y'all. But here's the thing. Anything can happen over these next few days or a couple of days. And well, if they do die, guess what? I still have plenty of peppers and I'll wait longer before I put them in the ground. But if my peppers can go in the ground, my tomatoes can go in the ground. Now my tomatoes are just little seed starts, the hybrids and the ones that survived, which are the Tachi tomatoes. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the ground too. Might as well. No reason to upstep if I can go ahead and put them in the ground. Now, what am I doing for the rest of the day? Well, me and my nephew, and I mean me and my nephew, will be playing in the onion beds. As y'all can see, these onions have a lot of weeds in them, as y'all can see. And the wind is blowing quite vigorously right now. So, I'm sorry about that, y'all. But we got to pull these weeds. And we're going to pull them from my onion beds. We're going to pull them from my lettuce and spinach beds. And, well, it's going to take a little bit. So we're going to leave y'all with Super Frog mode today. And we're going to do that in Super Frog mode. But before I leave y'all in Super Frog mode, I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing to me, and I appreciate y'all sharing my videos out. Thank you. Now, if you haven't subscribed, why not? Subscribe. But if you would, please subscribe. Thank you. And all persons watching this video, hit that thumbs up for me. It's a little bit smaller than this thumbs up, but hit that thumbs up for me. I really would appreciate that. That helps me out quite a bit. All right, guys, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day. Oh, you're still filming?